What's up guys, Shane Stars here. I've been using the Google Pixel 6 Pro as my main device since it came out, and the one issue that I've been having is finding a good screen protector, a good tempered glass screen protector that also works with the fingerprint scanner. Big shout outs to mobilefun.com. They sent me out the Sentinel case and screen protector. We're gonna test that out today. For now, this is probably your best option for a tempered glass screen protector. Let's go ahead and get started. This video is sponsored by dating.com. Some of you may know that I've been happily married for 14 years, which means I've been out of the dating game for quite a while. Our relationship did start out online. I met a pretty girl at a birthday party and I took the chance to reach out to her on AOL Instant Messenger. That's how long ago it was. 14 years later, we're still happily married and have 3 beautiful children. We found lots of things that we love to share together, like hiking, snorkeling, traveling, and Disney World is our happy place. She's inspired me to do things that I never knew I could do, like sing in front of people or speak in front of people. She gave me the courage to try those things and actually succeed at those things. And I feel like I've encouraged her to take risk and do things that she wouldn't have ordinarily been comfortable doing. The moral of the story here is that dating is not about the algorithm or data that's been collected. It's about taking that chance. And I would encourage you guys to head over to this video sponsor, dating.com, and take that chance today. Dating.com provides a premium dating experience. They help to connect souls from all over the world to build strong and reliable relationships. You'll find tons of diverse and interesting people who are ready to communicate. Dating.com is a secure place to date online, no unwanted photos or annoying people. Dating.com helps to connect people to each other, not based on location, but on your mutual interests and similarities. Dating.com focuses on online communication. You're going to be able to find real, genuine connections on this platform, and hopefully you'll be able to formulate a long-lasting, strong marriage like I have with my wife, Whitney, who I'm so glad that I met and took the chance on so many years ago. I'll be sure to include a link in the description so you can get started today. Subscribers to this channel are going to get 60% off for being a new user. All right, so we have the Sentinel case and glass screen protector. We'll go ahead and take these out of the box. All right, so first up we have the Sentinel case. Nothing super special here. This is definitely going to help with scratch protection, and it will provide some drop protection. It's just a simple TPU case. It has a metallic pattern there in the center and then carbon fiber up top. Of course, it has perfect cutouts all the way around, and it's just kind of thin and light. It's not going to add a lot of bulk, but it will add some scratch protection to your device. And it also works perfectly with the Sentinel screen protector. All right, so you do have some instructions here for how to apply it. And then you have all of the cleaning supplies. All right, let's go ahead and power that down. That way you're not distracted by notifications and the phone doesn't vibrate and move. This is just the best way to make sure that you can get all the dust removed and see the dust with the black screen. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and clean this up with the alcohol wipe. So just give that a good wipe, get rid of all of the grease or makeup or whatever might be on there. All right, so we'll give that a good wipe. Next up, we'll use the cloth to kind of dry that up. Make sure it's really dry so that the adhesive sticks correctly. So the next step here, we're just looking for any dust particles. I would suggest using a flashlight. It's going to be the best way to see all the dust on the screen. So you'll take your dust sticker and you'll take your flashlight, and that will illuminate any dust that's on the screen. All right, you want to make sure that you do remove all the dust. You can't have any air pockets for the fingerprint scanner to work, and dust does create air pockets. So you do want to make sure that you get any and all dust off of this display. All right, so next up, we're just going to peel off the back part. You can use these little stickers here, but to me, the glass just falls. It doesn't really hold them up very well. You have a little hole here for your camera, so you'll want to make sure that you line that up with the camera. It does say that you can put this inside of your case first to get better alignment. All right, and I did notice this one does not have adhesive where the fingerprint scanner goes, so I'm not really sure if this is actually going to work well with the fingerprint scanner. I don't know what's going on with these screen protectors not being compatible with the fingerprint scanners. We'll go ahead and lay that on top when we get it good and aligned, and then we're supposed to take our cloth and wipe down firmly along all 4 edges. Where the fingerprint scanner goes, I didn't see any adhesive there, but we'll give it a shot anyway. All right, we're gonna go ahead and boot this up and test things out. So it's letting me add my fingerprint, which is definitely a good sign. All right, we're gonna add the fingerprint real quick and then we're going to test it out. All right, says we're done. All right, we'll go ahead and lock down the phone and we'll give it a test. So unfortunately, it looks like this is not going to work with the fingerprint scanner. It's just not recognizing my fingerprint because of the air gap there. Most of the time, the Sentinel screen protectors have a bit of adhesive right there where the fingerprint scanner goes to eliminate the air bubbles, but for this particular one, this is just going to work to protect your screen. You won't be able to use your fingerprint scanner with this particular screen protector. Mobile Fun also did send out this Forever Mobile tempered glass. So the only issue with this is that it doesn't give full coverage. You guys can see that it's just basically a flat screen protector that's gonna cover the surface of your phone but not the edges. But because it is an adhesive, a full adhesive, it actually works with the fingerprint scanner. So those are kind of your options right now for tempered screen protectors. Either you're gonna have an edge adhesive like the Sentinel and your fingerprint scanner is not gonna work, or you're gonna have a full adhesive that doesn't go all the way to the edges. And that's just kind of what you are limited to for now. Hopefully Whitestone Dome will come out with the proper screen protector that's gonna give us full coverage and a full adhesive. But until now, I'll leave the links for both of these and you can pick these up just to give you some protection until we get a better screen protector from Whitestone Dome. All right, guys, that about wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.